rappel.
Look, you can see it. This is at least half a foot thick.
Oh, wow.
I could stand.
I would try standing, but I'm actually scared.
So you actually
Alyssa, are you gonna stand in it?
Okay, I'll do it if Alyssa does it. Is it safe?
Yeah.
Okay, Alyssa and Ellie both stand on it.
I'll also stand on it.
Okay, go, go.
Alyssa's dancing on the ice. Oh gosh, Alyssa, be careful. Well, at least the ice didn't break.
You see it? You flipped over. You could literally jump on it and it wouldn't break.
Yeah, that's pretty thick.
And you can go more on your feet too if you're, yeah, like that. Yeah, just kind of like tuck your feet under your legs. Okay, so as you go over that edge though, I do want you to move that hand out.
Yeah, don't look for me.
There you go.
Fantastic.
That's where we kind of started. Look how far away we are.
Yep.
Oh, it's not as bad as it looks.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's not too bad.
It's pretty easy.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Yeah, just be careful.
Oh, actually, yeah, that's pretty easy. Oh. Okay. My feet are so freezing.
Your feet are freezing?
Yes. Should I go there?
Here we are on our next cliff. Very, very careful on these rocks.
I know.
Oh, gosh.
Careful.
This is crazy. This is literally right at that. That's where you fall over the edge, right there.
Usually when I like scary stuff, you have no idea how scary it is.
Yeah, this is absolutely.
Like we're walking on cactus and we're happy about it because it's solid. Well, I don't know how solid it is, but
Also, a good way is to keep your center of gravity to the side.
I know, I kind of feel dizzy up here a little. It's weird. Yeah, I'm not joking, guys. This is a huge, huge cliff. Again, it's hard to tell how steep this is, but trust me, guys, this is crazy. Whew. Oh, here it comes. Oh, it stopped.
Hey everyone, it is the next day staying in Zion, and today we are going on ATVs. I am super excited, and I have like a bunch of layers on, including gloves, a beanie, because it's gonna be pretty cold. So yeah, I'm wearing a lot of layers. Okay, we have all of our gear on and we're almost ready to go. This is nowhere near as scary as that hiking did though. Oh. We got back home and we're getting straight to do some painting. I'm very excited.
Nice. You guys gonna put your aprons on?
This is gonna be so exciting. We're gonna be painting that.
Wow, Owen, you're doing really good. Yeah, you are. Good job, guys.
Everyone's fanning off their art.
So all of us are hanging out at the back of the car right now. I don't know why Dave is trying to hide. There he is. But we're looking at the super pretty views. We're in Zion National Park right now. We just stopped on the side of the road. It's kind of cold, but it's so pretty. There's like a bunch of snow, and we found a frozen waterfall. Look at this, it's actually frozen. Look at that.
Yeah, we got a huge snowball. Oh, look at this machine.
Oh, Papa! Get away from their car, you guys!
Dad, get over here.
They are.
Surrounding this person's car.
Nanny, get him, Nanny! Nanny, get him, bro! Get him.
Oh.
Oh! Okay, so we decided to go on a hike, but the bad news is I forgot to bring my gloves because they are lost. So my hands are really cold and my hiking shoes were like too dirty to wear, so I couldn't wear those either. So now I'm stuck in Vans. So yeah, it's pretty chilly, but we're doing the Narrows hike, and my grandma had this thing that I could like put on my face, so it really helped me stay warm. But yeah, my hands are freezing. Look at all this frozen water. This is so cool. Wow.
Here, look out.
Let's see it first.
Smile, Chris.
Whoa.
It's just this.
It's super slippery right here. It's like actually, oh shoot, I almost fell. It's like actually ice right here, and I almost fell a lot of times. Look at this. It's actually ice. Whoa. Watch out for me.
That's fun.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all this ice. This is so crazy. It's like so slippery.
I know.
Look at this. It's like actual, like, oh my gosh. Dang. Look at this. Okay.
Slide the whole way, ready? If it was in a better area.
Dang. Nice. Yo.
Oh, I can do it way better.
Oh.
Yeah, make sure I was holding on.
Oh. You guys, look how cool this is. Look at that. So cool. I know, right? It's so pretty. We never see cool frozen stuff like this in California. Now we're at a Subway. We finished our hike and we're gonna get some pizza and some sandwiches. We got our sandwiches and now we're gonna go home so we can eat them.
So everybody's out here this morning playing with the frozen lake, which has become one of our favorite activities because it's very, very solid. Oh, and are you walking on that? Oh, wow. Oh, and you're a funny boy. We did not make him say that. Have you walked on it, Matt?
It's broken. Don't go too far out.
Wow. That's crazy, guys.
It's actually pretty scary. I can't even see the bottom right here.
These are our morning activities
Here, look at this ice.
at the Red Rock Villa.
How deep is it?
That's how
Very
thick the ice
exciting.
is.
Can you give me the ice?
Oh, wow. It's almost an inch thick. Maybe it is a whole inch thick. Wow, that is about an inch thick. Wow. That's so cool.
Ooh, it's slippery and cold. David, start jumping. I dare you.
Lift it up. Oh my gosh.
Wow, it's sharp and heavy and cold.
Oh my gosh.
Shit.
Just put it here.
No, just look in the water.
Okay, sit down.
It's like a sled.
That's good. That's
Ready?
good. No more. No more.
What? Come
Just in
on.
case it doesn't break, you can't come back.
Yeah, like already. How am I gonna?
Wait,
get
don't
back?
purposely try to break it.
I know. Paddle.
Yo.
I think this is the one you can walk on if you wanted to.
I know, Chris. Ready?
Oh no, no.
You got it. You got it.
Oh,
Okay, that's as far. That's as far as we go. Wait, Ellie, what if we try to walk over there? Yeah, run to me, run to me.
No.